Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's the day 3 of Divalog series, and in today's video I will be showing you guys what's on my phone, because this video was also requested on my stories. Whenever I used to ask which video would you like to watch, there would be one or two of them who would ask for this video. So here I am filming what's on my phone. So firstly, I will give you basic information about my phone. This is my phone. It's Samsung A30s and it's in crush violet color. Wait, I will show you. It's very beautiful color. I just bought this phone for the color because I love purple color so freaking much. So yeah, I bought this phone just for the phone cover and for the camera. The camera is really good as well. So this is how my phone looks like. Okay. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. My home screen, and this is how my home screen looks like. It's a basic flower which I took from Pinterest. I like such aesthetic. I like such aesthetic wallpapers, so I took this picture from Pinterest, and this is the first screen. As you guys can see, there is Pinterest on the first screen. We'll start from the bottom line. First we have phone, then Snapchat because I use it every day, then my gallery, then Instagram, then camera because they are the most used app on my phone. Then we have this folder. Here we have Galaxy Store and internet, and over here we have Pinterest, Play Store, messages, and some Google apps, some random Google apps which every phone has. Now once we swipe up, here's the menu. Here's the phone looks like from inside. So the first folder has all the Samsung files which usually all Samsung phone has, and then second folder is again the Google folder. Then third folder is Microsoft apps folder. I deleted few of the apps because few months back I was running short of storage, so I deleted some apps from that. So yeah, and then we have again Play Store, then Samsung Play, Galaxy Store, Facebook, which I rarely used. It's just for my Instagram because Instagram and Facebook are connected. That's why nothing else to use in Facebook. Then we have call logs, messages, camera, gallery, clock, contact settings, and here one more folder which has play music and calendar. Then we have calculator, Samsung Notes, game launchers. These page apps I barely use. I only use phone, gallery and camera from this page and nothing else from this page. And moving forward towards the second page, we have Amazon because I bought the phone from Amazon, so Amazon was inbuilt in the phone. Then next app is the My Galaxy, which is the phone's app. Then Snapchat, in short to edit my videos and all. Screen recorder because this phone does not have inbuilt screen recording, so I had to download some other screen recorder app. Then we have Instagram. I can't live without Instagram. Then we have PicsArt to edit the pics and to make thumbnails. Then we have JioSaavn to listen to music. Then WhatsApp, then Truecaller because we need Truecaller to track who's calling. Then we have Zoom for my classes, VTab for video editing, reminder because I forget things usually. Then we have Fuji to click pictures, YouTube Studio, which is a must for all the YouTube creators. Then we have Ludo King just to play. I don't play every day. I just play rarely. Then we have some random app, I don't know. Then we have Pinterest. Then we have Samsung Pass. Then we have this folder which has all my shopping apps. I don't usually download shopping apps in this phone. I download it in my iPhone just to save some space. So here we have few of them. First is Lulu and Sky, then Ajio, then Meesho, then Bewakoof, Nykaa for makeup, Symptom for makeup. These are the only shopping apps which I have. Then we have Arogya Setu app because you need this app to access into the mall, or else they won't allow you inside the mall. Then we have Netflix. Woohoo! Then we have MLDCC app. This is my college app. So yeah, that's my college app. Now you got to know in which college I am. If you know the full form of this, then okay, good. Then if you get to know in which college I am, then we have KineMaster to edit the videos. To be honest, I don't know how to use KineMaster that properly. I'm expert in InShot but not in KineMaster. I'm learning KineMaster. So yeah. Then we have Winkle app to make video edits from photos. Then we have Google Meet because some of my lectures are on Google Meet and some of them are on Zoom, so it keeps changing. So that's why I have both the apps. Then we have Google Classroom for my tests and what we make PDFs. We give our test on Google Classrooms. So yeah. Then we have link sharing to share the links, videos to someone. And then we have Book. It is just a random app wherein I jot down some points. If I get any idea, I just open that app and jot it down inside that. And then we have Adobe Scan to make the PDF. And then we have Among Us, the most popular game of now. So yeah, I don't play usually Among Us, and if I start playing Among Us, then I don't stop for hours and hours. I just sit in the one place and continuously play on a loop. It's non-stop. Then we have Spotify. Then we have Vodafone services because of my SIM. Then we have Pikachu. If you know what is Pikachu, then you know me. Why I have Pikachu. Okay, and then we have Filmora. This is also a editing app which I recently downloaded because I heard Harshala Patil talking about this app, so I downloaded it just to try it out. Then we have Snapseed to edit photos. Then we have Mojo app to edit videos and stories of Instagram. Then we have follower analyzer. Okay, we have follower analyzer. So that was it. That's all what I have on my phone. Nothing. My favorite apps, then it would be for sure Instagram, then InShorts, Snapchat, and all the shopping apps because I love to just do window shopping. Then Pinterest, Netflix for sure, and Huji and Among Us. These are my favorite apps on my phone, and JioSaavn and Spotify to listen songs. So that was it for today's video. Hope you guys like it, and one of the requested video is done. Now more videos are left. I will try to do them as soon as possible, and thank you for watching. This was the episode 3 of Divalogue series. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel below. And follow me on my Instagram and press the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new video. That means tomorrow again. So yeah, bye. I'm just checking the quality of the camera. I shot the intro video on my iPhone and the end video I'm shooting on my Samsung phone. Can you guys see the difference? You can see the difference for yourself. There's so much difference. Oh my god. Okay, bye. See you in my next video.